Tatiana Whitlock, Director of Training with the Girl and a Gun, and in today's Training Tip Tuesday Quick Tips, we're going to talk about chambering a round by utilizing the slide stop, slide release. We can obviously rack or use the slide stop. Both viable options depending on your physicality and personal preference on the pistol and of course the context in which you're functioning the gun. For this demonstration, we are of course using a clear and empty pistol. There's no round in the chamber, in the magazine, or in any of my support gear, so we can safely demonstrate this dry fire. And if you set yourself up properly at home, it's something we suggest you practice at home before you go to the range and try live fire. So with an empty magazine and an empty gun with the slide locked back, if I complete my grip here, I have some options. But ultimately, I wouldn't be doing that because if I just loaded this magazine, my next immediate action is to get a round in the chamber, present, get my sights on target. So there's a level of expediency involved in seat the magazine, drop the slide, complete my grip, present on target. How we do that? Let's take a look at the details. Step 1, insert the magazine. If your dominant hand thumb can make a proper purchase on top of and apply downward pressure to the slide stop, do it. Sometimes that means opening this grip up just a little bit. Otherwise, if you don't have to compromise your grip, don't. Get on top of that, drop that slide. As soon as the slide goes forward, your support hand finds its position, and then you can shift your focus, present the pistol. Option 2, let your support hand do the work. So again, set yourself up appropriately so that you're practicing the complete cycle, not just isolating the individual task. I insert the magazine. I leave my palm on the base of the magazine. This thumb reaches up high as the knuckle, this area of my hand, support hand, finds the base of the trigger guard as an index point. Depress and roll. One more time. Insert the magazine. I reach with my thumb, I anchor my hand right underneath that trigger guard, getting my dominant hand thumb out of the way, reach up top, apply downward pressure, and then all I have to do is roll the meaty part of my hand onto the grip to complete it. You have 2 viable options to chambering the top round using the slide stop, slide release.
If you like this segment, head to our website to watch the full video. Members get access to our entire library of exclusive content. Not a member yet? Now's a great time to join.